Welcome. If Instagram isn't opening on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, you're not alone. And there are a few easy fixes you can try. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps that should help get Instagram working again on your browser. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is closing and reopening your browser. Sometimes just restarting the browser can fix the issue. So close your browser completely, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. Once it's loaded, try accessing Instagram again to see if that solves the problem. If that doesn't work, another quick fix is restarting your PC. Sometimes a device restart can help resolve loading issues with websites. To restart your device, click the Windows icon on your keyboard or in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click the power icon. Select Shutdown and wait about 30 seconds. After that, press the power button to turn your PC back on and try opening Instagram once your device has restarted. If Instagram still won't open, try connecting to a different network. It could be that your current connection is having some issues. To change networks, go to the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen and click on the network icon. From there, you can choose another Wi-Fi network if available. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Sometimes, Instagram won't load if your internet is too slow or unstable. To check your connection, click the network icon again in the notifications area. This will show you whether you're connected to a stable network. If not, try switching to a different network or resetting your router. Lastly, clearing your browser cache can help resolve loading problems. Cached data can sometimes interfere with website functionality. To clear your cache, click the three dots or menu icon at the top of your browser. Then, go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Choose Clear Browsing Data and make sure the option for cached images and files is checked. Finally, click Clear Data, and your cache will be cleared. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the problem of Instagram not opening on your PC. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.